Turning now to politics, it would be considered a win for Donald Trump's legal team. A federal judge agreed to appoint a third party or so-called special master to review documents seized by the FBI during the search of Trump's Florida home. Here's CBS's Robert Costa.
Judge Aileen Cannon, a Trump appointee, wrote in her 24-page ruling that Trump faces unquantifiable potential harm if more sensitive information is made public, and said he should be granted an outside lawyer to review the evidence. The independent reviewer would be directed to examine the evidence obtained during last month's FBI search.
The kind of person they'll be talking about is probably a retired, respected federal judge.
Cannon's order sets a deadline for possible candidates, September 9th. Her decision could have ramifications for the investigation, delaying it as the political season heats up.
It could both be a big practical problem, but also could kind of undermine the entire prosecution.
Cannon wrote that a special master would review the seized property for personal items and documents, and potentially privileged material subject to claims of attorney-client and/or executive privilege. Her order also bars the Justice Department from further reviewing the evidence collected until the special master's work is done. But it does allow for the continuation of the classification review and intelligence assessments being conducted by the Office of the Director of National Intelligence. At a rally over the weekend in the key battleground state of Pennsylvania, former President Trump continued to claim the search was an abuse of power by the Justice Department.
The FBI and the Justice Department have become vicious monsters, controlled by radical left scoundrels.
Just weeks ahead of the midterm elections, President Biden has been on the campaign trail too, in Pennsylvania and with union members in Wisconsin.
The extreme MAGA Republicans in Congress have chosen to go backwards, full of anger, violence, hate, and division.
The Justice Department has long argued that a special master is unnecessary because their own filter team has already sifted through the documents, and it could appeal this decision. But for now, the department said in a statement today that it is examining the opinion and will consider appropriate next steps. Jerika?
Always a lot to unpack with these stories. Thank you, Bob.
Thank you.